Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you are an admin on the page and have access to page settings. This matters because only admins can remove page messages. Once done, open Messenger on desktop or the Pages Manager app so you see the conversation list. Make a quick backup of any important messages or screenshots before removing anything. That preserves records. Now locate the specific conversation thread tied to the page. You'll act on that thread in the next steps to remove the message cleanly. Once you've opened the conversation, scroll to the exact message you want removed and pause to confirm it's the right one. Mistakes are hard to undo. Next, open the message options using the three-dot menu on desktop or long press on mobile. This reveals remove or delete choices. Choose the option that removes the message from the page view, often labeled Remove for Page or Delete for Everyone, because that ensures the page no longer displays the content while explaining why you made that choice. After selecting Removal, confirm the action when prompted so the platform executes it. You'll usually see the message disappear immediately, but make sure to refresh the page or app to verify. If the message still appears, check the page activity log and inbox settings to see if another admin or moderation rule restored it. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in as an admin or retry on desktop. If that still fails, contact platform support and provide timestamps and screenshots as troubleshooting evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.